With VideoZen you can easily create videos using AI integrations. Let's get started. The first option is text to video. This tool allows you to convert text information into a video. Simply paste your text, and the AI will create a video based on the content. The second option is video recording. You can record your screen while presenting and save it as a video. This feature is ideal for explaining topics in detail while showcasing visuals. Next up is Shorts. This option is useful if you have a lengthy video that you'd like to shorten it by just uploading it. My favorite feature is Idea to Video. You can turn your ideas into videos by providing details such as language, audience, type, and duration. After generating a script, you can edit it as needed before creating the video. PowerPoint to video is also interesting. You can upload PowerPoint presentations to create dynamic videos, enhancing learning experiences. Lastly, URL to video is another favorite. You can input any website link, and the program will generate a script based on the important information from the page. It's a great way to create videos from online content. Here are some additional features to consider. You can customize the background and display of your videos. Add, remove, and change pictures, as well as upload additional videos. You can also customize the voiceover for each clip to keep your videos diverse and engaging. Remember, the more videos you create, the more professional you'll become. Hello from New Scene.